Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change language in Windows 11. There is a different kind of languages in this world. So how to change your operating system language from your Windows 11? Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just open settings. So once I open the settings, there will be a different kind of options will be available. So just go to time and languages in your right hand side. So once you select the time and languages, there will be a date and time, language and region will be available, typing and speaking will be available. Just choose the language and region. So there is a arrow marks will be there, just click here. So the time and language and region will be open here. So now I have the English United Kingdom as well as Tamil India will be available in my thing. So I just want to add the language. I want to change my entire language into different kind of a language model. So what I have to do here, for example, I just want to add the language, a different kind of regional language. What I have to do here, so just choose add language. Once you click add language, there will be a different kind of language will be available. So here they have mentioned here display language, text to speech, speech to recognize and handwritten. So Windows 11 will be available for text language and text to speech language, speech recognition as well as the handwriting. So there is a different kind of language will be available. You can scroll down and you can get it down all kind of languages. For example, I just want to add the language German. So once I type German, there will be a English German will be available, or Dutch German, Austria and German language will be available. So you can choose which is you are using. For example, if your operating system will be available the display language and speech recognition and handwritten, the symbol will be available. So German language Dutch will be available. So I just click here. So once I click here, automatically the option will be enabled for the next. Once I click the next option, automatically my language, that is my German language, will be added. Language pack and text to speech as well as speech and recognition and handwritten language will be available. So all the checkbox should be in switched on so that you will get your language. And one more thing is most important, set my Windows display language. For example, you are in German or you are in a different country, you need that language, means you have to choose this checkbox, set my Windows language. If you are in different places, you want to only access this one, just remove this text box. So if I want, means I can enable this. So I just click here for the installation. So I just select install. Once I select install, please wait, the language is finalizing, the installation is going on as you see here. So German language, that is German language, is going to install in my laptop. So similarly, you can have a Malaysian language, you can have a different kind of regional language like a Russian language, Chinese language, and a different kind of language which your country is using for your language purpose. You can have this access. So my installation is beginning over here as you see here. It will take a few seconds to download and install in your laptop. Yes, my German language is installed successfully in my laptop. So my language pack, text to speech, speech recognition, handwritten, everything is installed in my laptop so that I can able to access this language option. So I just want to add this one as a regional language, my system language. Automatically it will change into system language so that you can able to identify, you can able to type your languages. So how to change this German language in your keyboard? So here there will be a language option, English India. So just click here. So you will get a German language. So just choose, means your language will be changed as a Dutch model, so that whatever you're typing, everything will be in a Dutch format so that you can able to identify your language. For example, I just open Windows Word applications to change my language. So there is my speech and switch to input language, press Windows key and space bar to switch your German language. So you can able to change your language as well as you can able to switch over your language. In order to use this language option, you need to restart your computer so that your language perfectly set in your laptop so that you can able to access easily with your language as well as speech and recognition. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Huawei channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.